Alright guys, so we're out here. We got the cops right here pulling up. They came in very nice. They came in nice. The cops were nice to us.
Yeah, they were.
We also have Channel 5 over here, according to the cops, for a murder though. For a murder scene. I doubt it though. We got a nice little Mustang right here, guys. I love the red with the white stripes, guys. He looks so beautiful. He got his wild pants on today. Look at him.
Bunch of just stands.
Yeah. Oh, what the hell? He's just ready for tonight, guys. We got Chopper already rated 2 spots already. Here's the location right now. Alright guys, just pull up to the next location. We got a lot of cops right here, guys. It's a Christmas parade out here.
What's up?
What do you think about that? So much noise. They make so much noise. So much noise. What did you do?
I subscribe to you.
Thank you. You too? Yeah. Alright, thank you, thank you. You too? That's right, thank you. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the support. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up? What's cracking, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Guy right here.
Fuck Diddy!
Hey, you tell him. Oh, that was sick. That was sick. Look at this dude over here! Hey, what is that? Oh wow, that is crazy. Hey, if you want to sell it over there in the middle. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? What's cracking? What's cracking? Hey, I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thanks for the support. What's cracking, buddy? What's up? What's up? Got you right here. No. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Thanks, you
Take
too.
it easy. Bye. Look at that beautiful GTR right there in the wild. Wide body and everything.
Stop like that.
Let's go.
Yo, they got a fucking pinata.
What time does it suck your day for staying here?
I feel scared if my car did that.
Oh, that's look, they're coming from all sections.
Yo, this is hot.
Mustang! Hey, you alright, bro? Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. How's your girl? You good?
Bro, you good?
Hey, get your out, your car's leaking, bro. You good? You're good, you're good. Get everybody out of the car. Get everybody out the car. Everybody out the car. Get your girl out, fool. Hey, get anything that's of value, fool. Get it out of your car. Anything that's value, get it out your car. Hey, you guys good? Hey, you good, bro? Everybody good?
I'm just helping out.
That's your mom?
No, it was her and the other chick.
Okay, okay, okay. Damn. What the hell? Dude, that happened legit in front of me, guys. If I didn't move, that thing would have hit me right here and then.
Bro, that shit almost hit you.
Yeah, yeah, I know, dude. It almost hit me. I see that thing.
Hey, anybody got a fire extinguisher just in case?
That was a hard hit. Damn. Luckily, everybody's good, we're good. Damn. crap, guys. This lady almost hit the side. Holy damn. Holy crap. All right, next location, cops are coming in right now, guys. Hot. A lot of people are just running away right now. Oh, hell no! What the hell? Oh my God, is he gonna pop it? Dog inside? Look at the dog. Let me see the dog. Who's running?
Tell him keep
What's
fresh.
up, bud? Nobody's running. What's up, buddy? Oh, there you go. Crowded today, guys. Look at all the people here. I need to remind you that there's actually cops back here right now. Yeah, you tell them. You tell them.
They can't stop us, baby.
That's right. She excited as hell. That's right. Oh, she's having the time of her life. Let's go. Hey, protect her. She's recording it. You said that the Mustang was fun recording. As long as they don't hit you, huh? Oh, you liked it?
Yeah.
From a 1 to 10, what did you give it? A 10?
Yeah.
Oh, what about that? You like that? What's up, buddy? Watch out! You like that? What the? Hey, put that on your name. Hey! Chopper! Chopper! We got the chopper in the sky, guys. Oh, they're known to follow people now. They're known to follow people. What's up, buddy? What's up? What's cracking? What's cracking? Hey! That's right!
Kick fresh, kick fresh.
What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? So she was stuck in traffic.
Stuck in the traffic.
So she's like, fuck that, I'm gonna enjoy myself, and she came out to record. Right? That's good. That's the way to do it, guys. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? What's up, buddy? Guys, so that car right there, what's up? So that guy right there, they took him to jail, and they just left his car right there. What the? So the cops are making us go right now, guys. Let's see where the Ferrari is going. Okay, so I guess Ferrari has to go right too. Cops giving us an escort, cops right there. All right. Oh, they're putting us in the freeway. Oh, yeah. They're like, get out of our city, guys. Go straight into the freeway. All right. All right, guys. So we're out here at Azusa. That's for you guys that are not from here, Azusa is basically just mountains. That's why it has like little mountains on top. Alright, just pull up to the next location, guys. It's already crowded, guys. Look at this. People are parking everywhere right here. And it appears to be another intersection, guys. Alright, guys, cops came in hot. This guy has a dick balloon. What the hell? Oh, what the? Hey, wait! Hey, show me your balloon! What the? Oh, hell no! What the? KF gang, baby, let's go! Yeah, we got the cops over here. People are just honking like crazy right now, guys, with the cops. We got the officer right here, right next to me.
She fucking.
So, no, alright, so we got a Buzz subscriber. Thanks for the support. You're sober, Buzz, too?
I'm so
Who else is in this car? Alright, everybody. Oh, hi. Hi, how you doing, ladies?
Hey, she knocked the fuck out.
Wait, who knocked out?
The one back there.
No.
yes. She just gotta pee.
Oh, she just got to pee. Fuck you guys. Thanks. Hey, thanks for the support. I'll see you in the. Hey, be careful.
Okay.
Alright, so we out here now. You haven't been here for. Oh, what's up? But hey, you came out of the last vlog, you see?
Definitely.
Yeah. Alright, right. So we're out here right now. We got a cop over there in the back. We're actually in the IE right now. Haven't been here in a while. We got the chopper out right now, guys. Hey, what's cracking, bro? What's up? What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. Alright, guys, today's video was crazy. As you saw, the car just literally came and almost hit me, guys. I don't know why it took so long to move, but like in the 20 seconds, like it was like 20 seconds, the car was coming at me this way. I still couldn't believe it, and then it hit me that it was coming, so I managed to, as you saw in the video. That's exactly right there, but you can't hear me. But anyways, like always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the KF Gang family. We're growing really quick. Thank you for all the support, guys, and I'll see you in the next banger.